Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a workflow that helps you to fetch products from the GNet, fetch products and interformer extractor and split out to save in the Google Sheet. First of all, we need to add when trigger manual, and here is the trigger manual, and we need to add first thing we need to add is HTTP request. Okay, here is my HTTP request, and we need to add a URL. I have already. Okay, we need to see it is working. We need to add and go, and here we go. All the data has here, and we need to go back and we need to run it. First, we need to add alternate was genetic conditional type, and we need to add basic, and we need to add on this. We need to we need to change this. We need to change this. We need to create a new credentials. Okay, we need to add password. Okay, here is all the code. Oh, no. Need to copy and paste it again. Proceed. Wait. We need to paste it again. Okay, it is pasted, and we need to. What we need to do is save it. Okay, the credential was created. We need to see, yes, the credential was created, and we need to go back, and we need to add an option, and we need to injury SSL issue, and we need to on it. And what we need to do is back, and we need to create to start it. Okay, it's not working. We need to see. Okay, we need to API key. We need to see the headers. We need to see the headers. Okay, it's need API key. We need all the things too, but it is seen. Okay, we need to copy. Okay, we have a backup. We need to see. We need to copy paste it, and we need to delete this and connect to this. Okay, we have all the things in true, and we need to. And here we go. All the things was good. We need to start it. Okay, the item was here. We need to see the title was here, and the image was here. All the things was good. We need to second thing we need to add is your information extractor. Here is my information extractor, and we need to add a text. Okay, we need to add text the data. Okay, we need to add define using JSON, and we need to add this, but we have already, and we need to copy paste it. Okay, here is the all the things we need. Result and type array, item, type object, properties, price, type, and all the things was adding, and we need to start it. We need to add is model. We have the ChatGPT model, and we need use 4.1 mini, and we need to start it. First we need to pin it, and I pin, and we need to start it. Okay, it is created. We need to see the output. Okay, the output was not good. Okay, we need to add a system prompt type, and all the things was ready. No, we need to add this. I have already, and we need to paste it. You are expert. We need to add something new on the value. Always output the data in the array called result. Each book should have the title, price, ability, and the product URL and image URL. Okay, we need to start it again. Okay, it's starting. It takes some time. Okay, we need to. Okay. In this it is creating. We need to add. Second thing we need to add is this split out to split all the things. Okay, first data was come. We will add the data on this. Okay, it's creating. Take too much time, and it's created. No, it's not creating. It's take time and it is creative. We need to see. Okay, the title was here, the price was here, ability was here, product URL was here, image URL here, and the 20 products was added. We need to see. We need to split out because of it is in one type, and we need to add out put dot data, and we need to start it. First we need to activate it and pin this. So pin this. Okay, I don't pin this. We need to start it. But it's not. It add this. Okay, we need to add this dot data, and we need to start it. But it's not. We need to add only output. Okay. Need to see on JSON. We need to start all the again. Okay. Okay, it's giving me all the items, but we need to add the Google Sheet. To add all the data, we need to add vendor sheet. Okay, here is the vendor sheet. We need to add this. Okay, in this we need to choose the file. We have book price, book. I have already book. And book. Okay, here is the book price, and we need to see, and we need to add sheet 2, and I need to delete these things. Okay, we need to create a second sheet. Okay, we need to create a second sheet. First of all, we need to add second sheet. No. Okay, we need second sheet. Okay, we need to delete this. It is not deleting. We need to. Okay, it is not me. We need to. Okay, we need to create a new Google Sheet. First of all, we need to go again. It's not allowed to me to edit and all things. Okay, we need to add Google Sheet or new. Okay, we need to sign in first. Okay, we need to sign in, and I sign in, and we need to create a new blank spreadsheet. Okay, here I need to add YouTube test. Okay, I added. We need to delete this. Okay, we need to change the name. We need to add YouTube test, and we need to see change sheet 1 and we need we need to automatic and we need to start it. We need to start it. We need to pin it. We need to start. It's adding, but it is add only one thing. And in line Y we need to see on split out. We need to add out.result. We need to start it again and pin and test. Here we go. The 20 item was here. We need to delete this. Delete all the things from here. We need to delete it. It's deleted. We need to start it again. We need to pin it and start. It's adding the 20 item in the YouTube test. All the URL was there. We need to see the image was good. Let's see. Here we go. The image was here. We need to go back. We need add to Shopify, to adding products in my Shopify store. We need to create products and add the title, price, everything we need. And we need to add price. We need to add image only. Image source. Sorry. Need to add source. And we need to add URL of image and we need to start it. First of all, we need to change this. Need to change to this and we need to go my store first of all. We need to go my store. I go to my store and here we go. I am in the store. And we need to see the product was adding. First we need to run on the page. We need to start it. First of all, we need a loop for get. We need to add loop. And we need to delete this and we need to also delete this and we need to add loop on this area for Shopify and we need to add loop. Wait, it is adding a loop. We need to start it. First of all, we need to pin it. It's pin and we need to start it. It's taking time. The 3 products was here. We need to see. The products was adding. We need to see the title was adding. We need to see the image was here. The image was here. The title was here. We need to see. I added same thing in my Shopify. I added the same thing in my Shopify in n8n and the same thing was adding in the Shopify and the workflow was created and it's very helpful for your clients. And we need to create a second video we need to create a invoice workflow. We need to comment me and thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.